Oh, look at that. There's something going on again around here. There's always something. And now like there's a street fair. Someone is just... So many people. We just need to buy groceries. So we're going now to the butcher because we couldn't find any good cuts of meat. So let's see. It's so busy here again because festival is going on. Street something festival.
Blow to the fire. Mrs. Claus closed her book and gently bent down to catch each.
And the crowd chickens here. So many people ka nagtawa. Diyos ka Lord. Or Bibo pa ni Dere. It's so Bibo. Ka-arty. So Bibo da. Ngayon kaayong mga tao kay daghang banda. Napay ka costume. Best costume is nanay. There's so many stalls here again. Stalls everywhere. Oh my gosh. So many people out here. Ooh, the salami, chili bomb. Empanadas. Empanada. Real cake. Trying to get to our normal shops, but there's a lot going on here. Oh my goodness. Woo. Whoa, look at that. I found a Filipino Asian sweets and dessert. Let me see. Ube biko, standing here about puto, palitaw.